Am I the only one who didn't know you could make money in your sleep? Imagine waking up every morning to find that your bank account has grown overnight. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not just a fantasy. It's entirely possible with passive income. Let's uncover the top 5 passive income streams that can change your life. These methods can help you build wealth without having to trade your time for money constantly. Passive income is all about making your money work for you, so you can enjoy more freedom and flexibility in your life. First up, real estate investing. This is one of the most popular ways to generate passive income. Real estate has been a tried and true method for building wealth for centuries. Buy properties, rent them out, and watch the cash roll in every month. Real estate can provide a steady stream of income and can also appreciate in value over time, making it a double win. Plus, there are various ways to invest in real estate, such as rental properties, REITs, and crowdfunding platforms. Next, dividend stocks. Invest in companies and earn a share of their profits regularly. Dividend stocks are a great way to earn money without having to sell your shares. You can reinvest the dividends to buy more shares, compounding your returns over time. This method allows you to benefit from the growth of the companies you invest in while receiving regular income. Third, we have affiliate marketing. This is perfect for those who love to share their favorite products and services with others. Affiliate marketing can be done through blogs, social media, or even YouTube channels. Promote products online and get a commission for every sale made through your link. It's a win-win situation. You help others find great products and you earn money in the process. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to choose products that you genuinely believe in and that resonate with your audience. Fourth is creating an online course. If you have expertise in a particular area, why not share it with the world? Online courses have become increasingly popular as more people seek to learn new skills from the comfort of their homes. Share your expertise and earn every time someone enrolls. Online courses can be a fantastic way to generate income while helping others learn new skills. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera make it easy to create and sell your courses. And finally, print on demand. Design cool merchandise and let the company handle the rest. You create the designs and the print-on-demand service takes care of printing, shipping, and customer service. This allows you to focus on creating unique and appealing designs without worrying about inventory or logistics. There you have it. 5 ways to earn passive income. These methods can help you achieve financial freedom and give you more time to do what you love. Remember, building passive income streams takes time and effort initially, but the rewards can be well worth it. It's time to start building your financial future today. Take the first step towards financial independence by exploring these passive income ideas. Set clear financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. Consistency and persistence are key to success. Got questions or more ideas? Drop them in the comments below. Let's start a conversation and help each other achieve financial success. Sharing your experiences and insights can inspire and motivate others on their journey to financial freedom.